Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and author of many books on cartooning and other things to draw. I hope you check them out on Amazon and every place else, Michaels, Barnes & Nobles, etc. But today I have a retro character I want to show you how to draw. A retro character is a lot of fun. And they can be made with just a few tweaks for the style. So we start with a little bit of extreme looks. Instead of a circle or an oval, we're going to start with this sort of pointy egg shape. And we'll bring the neck down here, and it's a slender shape for the egg. Usually a head will take a bigger neck than that, but then we're exaggerating things. Let's put the head on a 3/4 view angle. So that looks pretty simple, pretty basic, and it is. Now let's go and attack it with what we have for a retro look. The eyes will get sort of a very simplified but extreme look, a real deep crease in toward the nose. Like this. We're going to make a smile, a real good smile. An upturned nose, kind of pointy. You see the top lip right here, a little bit of thickness, the bottom lip a little more thickness. And I'm going to give it more room here. I'm going to adjust. And now I'm going to use some pointy eyelashes. Give it that retro look when it's kind of exaggerated. Kind of eyelashes that if you backed up on them, they would sting. Some nice straight, again, exaggeration. Eyebrows are never really straight, so we're going to make hers straight because we're going to exaggerate. I'm not going to make that go down that low. Yeah, like this. And let's put a nice small ear here. I'm going to make it small because we're going to exaggerate the size of the earring. She's got a small ear. Well, let's give her a big earring. So we're really kind of contrasting all that stuff. That nice thin neck. Now let's give her a kind of kooky hairdo. We're going to bring this out here and flare this down here, right in front of the ear. We're going to straighten the back of the head. Instead of making it go nice and curvy, we're going to straighten it out, bring it down here, and have it go up like that. Now that we have that, we'll erase inside. We no longer need those as guidelines. And let's just add some of that hair flowing up in the wind. And I will now add a little shading for the lips. And there is your retro gal. So some ideas, some tips for how to draw retro characters. I hope you liked it. And if you did, please press like and subscribe. I will have new videos every week. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.